So today I'm catching up on a few repairs around the house. I've got this chimney. It's a charcoal briquette fire starter. And you can see the rivets pop through the top handle here. And also on the back here, it's the hole is enlarged. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this 1/4 bolt and a fender washer. I've already kind of put a bend in it there to approximate that curve. And what I need to do is drill or cut out this rivet here. And I'm gonna try using a Dremal tool and slice it first. And if that doesn't work, then I will drill it. So get started on that. So I've got my Dremal here and I've got an abrasive cutoff wheel. And I'm gonna try to just cut this rivet off. And I wanna throw the sparks away from me, so I think I'm gonna try to cut from this side since, well, it rotates clockwise. Let's see here. I can see the rivet spinning in the hole. That's a good thing. So I might just be able to remove enough of it to let it fall right out without actually having to cut it all the way. Let's see how that works. Here we go. Got the rivet removed. Didn't have to drill it. It was kind of loose in there. Sometimes things work out. Let's just check this hole here. This is a 1/4 screw, and I've got this big fender washer here that's going to spread the load. So all I have to do is put it through both corners of the sheet metal and this heat shield, and then put the handle back down. And I've got a flange washer here, or flange nut, serrated to help kind of hold it. Doesn't take much, but just a simple thing like this, a little simple fix, can make this last for years and years. I don't even know how long this I've had this. Probably it might be going on 20 years. But you know, I can just add a little simple fix like this, and I could maybe get another 10 years out of it. Don't really know. But I'll just keep going until it just is no longer usable. Got a little Phillips here. I can speed up the process a little. So this thing's a little beat and banged up, but it still works. Still does the job. Got it clamping pretty tight now. And the bottom rivets appears to be in good shape still. I think the top one was the one that had the load. There we go. Fix the old charcoal briquette starter chimney in just a few minutes. So I was able to repair the charcoal briquette chimney starter, and looking forward to a few more years of service out of it with just a simple repair. So I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful, and wish you a good new year in 2021, and hope it's better than 2020. Although personally I have no complaints on 2020. I feel very fortunate and blessed, and a lot of good things happened to me, and looking forward to even more good things in 2021. So I'll see you there.